Hey guys, Corey here from DIX Performance North. And we get a lot of phone calls about what's the best battery for my vehicle. And in the past, traditionally the answer has often been Optima. But not anymore. There is a new battery in town. Full throttle AGM batteries not only outperform every battery on the market, but they also have the industry's best warranty, a 4-year replacement program. Not that you're going to need it. They use a thin plate technology using pure lead and a reinforced case. And their liquid-free design ensures long life and trouble-free performance regardless of temperature or any shock or vibration. Extreme power on demand through brass terminals, full throttle batteries are designed to have higher capacity and higher cranking power. With over 68,000 direct fit automotive applications, if you need a high-performance battery with maintenance-free performance for years to come, put your trust in full throttle, maintenance-free AGM batteries. DIX Performance North is now stocking a wide variety of full throttle batteries. So if you need a battery for your car, truck, race car, car audio build, or power sports application, we've got you covered. Powerful, versatile, reliable. That's full throttle AGM batteries.